Hey guys, Full Throttle here, and this is a 2021 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. This bike has a lot of electronic features, and two of them are cruise control and Aprilia Wheelie Control. Normally, the button here, when you're in road mode, acts as a cruise control switch. But did you know you can also set that in the settings to make it so that it controls the wheelie control up and down? I can show you how to do that if you wanted to do that. Normally, when you're in track mode, that button automatically changes to wheelie control because you don't need cruise control while you're on the track. But if you're in road mode like this, when you can see your speedo in big bold letters, that means you're in road mode. You can adjust that button to be wheelie control. So to do that, you go in the menu here by pressing and holding the right button. You go in the vehicle screen by pressing the right button. If you scroll down, there's an option called left hand switch. Currently it says cruise. That means it's going to be cruise control related. If you press the right button, it'll be AWC. That is Aprilia Wheelie Control. So now, even when you're in road mode, it'll act like a wheelie control button. So let's back out of the menu by pressing the left button. And now, if I go up and down, it should adjust the wheelie control to 1, 2, 3. That works similar to how you have control here for your plus and minus for your traction control. So if you're playing around with your motorcycle and you want to see how the different wheelie control modes act while being in road mode, you can do it this way. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you.